guys, today we're going to be opening this bendy here. Bendy. Sorry, the text is backwards, but it's fine. Alright, I got it open. I told you they're not made out totally. But since we have these open, let's see. So got this horsey. There's a rocking chair. Just rocking horsey. And this should just open this first. It's a projector. Wow, where's the fan? They didn't give me any stand. It's fine, it's gonna be like a little stand. So I'm gonna do like both cool things, like dirt and salt things I used to do. Ah. You look into it like this, and then you see an animation. You look into it. That's cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that's cool. I don't know if you guys can see it, but kind of there. You can kind of see it right. Look, see right there. It's right there. Now, for the true figure himself. He said his nose is itchy. Because he has a round body. Stop it! When I saw the projector thing, I thought it would like shoot up and actually project stuff. But now you have to do it. It's kind of like a McDonald's toy. You know, like a kind of McDonald's toy. Like if they collab with Bendy, probably have this, and then you just look there, and then that, like this. Probably like a little like Bendy like toy there, and then this like kind of like, and then you can see it. They're different. See it? He's escaping. Oh, you made him in a pole like I'm a ballerina. I'm ballerina. Hula, hula. Ballerina. Hula, hula. Yeah. Looks so good. Oh, wait, the paint's coming off. Look, see? The paint's coming off. And this is new. What do you mean we're not here on McDonald's yet?
We're not here yet.
Perfect. Yeah. Let's go. Let's go. I don't know if it's you don't even like chocolate ice cream, Kristen.
Ya, a él le gusta chocolate. Okay. Yeah.
Oh, you can actually see that he's actually snowing for a long time.